Hey Instagram, Rick here from Futures Trading Coach. Here's the trades for Thursday, December 7th. We had an S&P long 2250 right here. Good day traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, April 2nd, and I'm going to run through real quick what we did today. Today was an interesting day. We actually got in and we were down. Was expecting it to go down a little bit more, but we got a couple long signals first from what we could get into, and then when we did get the short signals, we were really low, and just having the market go down 30, 40 points is a lot different than having it go down 85. So didn't really want to short, especially for the room. So we ended up actually making, some good money, but, we could have done better if we would have taken a couple different trades as well, which we didn't take. But again, we're trying to run the room as conservative as possible. So, we did fine. We had our first long at 8:36 Central Standard Time. That was at 26:34.75. That made up to 3 points, 3 points up there. I told everybody that was the target that I called. To the tick, and that was all it really had to go. Then we were looking for the down move. We were trying to see if we could get down during this. We had market on open, so we opted to take a first long we could, counter trend. That was an exhaustion trade at 23.50. The trade made a couple points, and then we waited on the news, came down again. And we just didn't get into anything at this time. The market was down about 30. Here it was down 60. I think it went down even further. It went down 80 some points at the low. So we did grab a couple, 2-3 point trades there. On the Nasdaq, we got a couple as well. The Nasdaq, we had an exhaustion trade at 65.06. That was at 8:51 Central Standard Time. Trade actually made 10 points here. Again, these are big moves, so this was a 40 tick trade, up to 40 ticks, and after we go 20, 25, anything above there, we go to entry. So it went straight up for 40, and then any runners, obviously, if you were trying to hold one to see if it would go higher, you were either out or you got taken out on your runner for a break even at your entry. But you made money in your other contracts there. And then probably our really nice one that we took was death candle trade. That was around 64.55, and that trade made over 80 ticks here. And then I told everybody on this trade, I said, to hit this again after it went 80 was really aggressive, and we were approaching a situation where they were either going to keep going higher and the market was going to end up here, or it was going to be a dump, back down. So told everybody that if they got all these trades and they could trade small, less 50% or less than 50% of a normal size, they could take it. I don't think anybody took it. I called it, so that would have been a loser right there. Again, a small loser because I said under no circumstances do you want to take that full size if you're going to take it at all. But nonetheless, that was a losing trade we would have had there. And then we had another small winner here for about 10 ticks on another standing trade. So nothing really, major. We did not get short because the market was down before we really got going with things. And we just opted for the smaller, more conservative type entries, with the market being down big. So we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow. And everybody have a safe trading in the afternoon, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye, traders.